Welcome to Mando's Zaika. In this video, let's make Masoor Dal, a simple dal recipe. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. Let's get started. First, wash 100 grams of Masoor Dal and keep aside. Chop 2 medium-sized tomatoes into small pieces. Soak a small ball-sized tamarind pulp in water for 10 minutes. Mash the pulp and separate the tamarind water and keep it aside for later use. In a pressure cooker, add the washed masoor dal with some water. Add chopped tomatoes. One teaspoon red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Salt according to your taste. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix the spices. Now pressure cook this for 2 to 3 whistles. It will take approximately 10 minutes. When the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker. Mash the dal. And add the tamarind water. In a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Half onion chopped into small pieces. Saute it nicely. Add few cumin seeds and few mustard seeds. Few curry leaves. 1 dry red chilli. Fry the onions till they turn golden brown in color. The onions are nice golden brown in color. Now add the dal. Let the dal cook on a high flame until it is boiling. The dal has started to boil. Lower the flame and keep the dal for few minutes. Now switch off the flame and serve with rice, chapati. Our masoor dal is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.